Okay, hi everyone. So this video actually I just want to record it to explain to you for the previous video that I share with the title Where's the C. So I received a lot of comment from the YouTube channel, but I find that only one of them I will consider that will be a correct answer. But before I want to tell you what's the correct answer, let me explain to you what's going on with that. Okay, let's look at and watch the video together. So as you can see from the video, I explaining about the equation where the A equal to B plus C. So basically, I already set a rule based on this equation, which is the A and the B and the C. As you can see from the video, I also explained that you have to be a positive number. It's a positive number, and which is not a zero. Positive and not zero. Okay, that's the most important thing that I want to emphasize over here. That means that ABC, it must be a value, a number. Okay, but it's not a zero, obviously. It's not a zero and it's also not a negative. All right, so let's back to my video. So then you can see that what is happening here is, let me go straight forward for the working here. Okay, when you look at the working, what I did is A equal B plus C, there's nothing wrong. So then I'm going to add in into a two side, I'm adding a same bracket with A minus B. That step also nothing wrong. That step also nothing goes wrong with that. That's okay, that's fine. Because when you're adding a same thing on the both side, this is legal and allowed to do in maths. There's no problem at all. So let's continue and look at what I did. So next step is just expand the entire thing. So expand the whole thing, so make it quick. So I expand everything, then rearrange, nothing wrong with everything over here. So I just want to straight to the point that what is the trick behind this is, okay, let's look at from here. I start to factorize out the A, which is the, on the left hand side you can see is A minus B minus C. On the other side you can see I factorize the B while it becoming A minus B minus C as well. Okay. So this factorization also nothing wrong. Nothing wrong with it. Okay, the start from here. That's where the trick came from. Okay, let me pause here. So start from here, that's where the trick came from. Okay, let me share with you now. As a beginning, we already stated that that is an equation we are looking at. A equals to B plus C. Okay, so what is going on after that is, I rearrange it until I factorize it. So you can see that there's a step that I did is something like this. And another side will be the same. Okay, let me explain to you what is going on over here. A minus B, B, A minus B minus C, both sides. Then what I did in the video, I cancel this thing. Then in the end of the day, you get the A becoming B. What is the problem with this step here is, if you look at this carefully, you will know this one actually is getting from here. If you rearrange it, it will be A minus B minus C actually is equal to the 0. So what is going on? What is the mistake over here is, this part over here actually equivalent with 0. So when you have a 0 on the both sides, in the mathematical rule, actually you're not allowed to simplify it. You're not allowed to simplify it. 0 is cannot simplify. Because once you simplify the 0, everything becomes possible in mathematics. Example, let's say I have a 2 multiplied by the 0 is a 0. 3 multiplied by the 0 is a 0 as well. So when you make it equal, definitely they're equal because both sides 0. If you cancel the 0, you will find that 2 is equal to 3. So there will become something wrong with it. So this lesson from here is, what's a moral value behind this question is, do not simplify a 0. Is that it? Alright. So thanks for watching for this video, and I hope it benefit you and you will learn something from it. Remember my advice in the mathematics, do not simplify a 0. Alright, thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.